Mathematics Year 5, Converting Percent to Decimals. Hello there. In this lesson, we will learn how to convert percent to decimals. First, let's begin with understanding what decimals and percentages mean. A decimal number is based on the number 10. It contains a decimal point. For example, here is the number 45 and 6/10 written as a decimal number. The decimal point goes between ones and tenths. 45.6 has 4 tenths, 5 ones and 6 tenths, like this. What do we mean by percentages? When we say percent, we are really saying per 100. 1% means 1 per 100. A percentage is identified by the symbol. Look at the shaded green box. 1% of this line is shaded green. It is very small, isn't it? But 50% means 50 per 100, or 50 over 100. When we divide 50 by 100, we get 0.5, which is a decimal number. This also means that 50% of this box is green. 25% means 25 per 100, which also means that 25% of this box is green. Let's see another example. 100% means all. Now that we know what percentages mean, we need to learn how to convert percentages to decimals. Once again, percent means per 100. So, the first thing we need to do to convert percentages to decimals is to divide by 100 and remove the percentage sign. But the easy way to divide by 100 is to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Have a look at this table. Let's see more examples. Convert 8.5% to decimal. Move the decimal point 2 places to the left, twice. So 8.5 gives us 0.85 for the first move, and then 0.085 for the second move. But notice how we inserted an extra 0, just as we need to. So 8.5% is 0.085 in decimal. So this gives us 35%, which is written as 35%. Let's convert 250% to decimal. Move the decimal point 2 places to the left twice. So 250.0 gives us 25.0 for the first move, and then 2.5 for the second move. So 250% is 2.5 in decimal. These all mean the same thing. 0.5 or half of the box is green. 50 of the 100 squares are green. 50 over 100 of the box is green. 50% of the box is green. Can you see? The percent tells you that there is a hidden number over 100 in the box. Here's another example. 0.25 or a quarter of the box is green. 25 of the 100 squares are green. 25 over 100 of the box is green. 25% of the box is green. So 0.25, which is a decimal number, is the same as 25%, which is a percentage. This was interesting, was it not? Now, let us remind ourselves about some of the things we have learned. 1. A decimal number is based on the number 10. It contains a decimal point. 2. When we say percent, we are really saying per 100. 3. 1% means 1 per 100. 4. A percentage is identified by the symbol. 5. 100% means all. 6. The first thing we need to do to convert percentages to decimals is to divide by 100 and remove the percentage sign. Great! Before we finish off here, let me ask you a few questions. This will help me know how well you got on in the lesson. Are you ready? Alright. 1. What is a decimal number? That's great. A decimal number is based on the number 10. It contains a decimal point. Number 2. What other way can we say 1%? That's brilliant. 1% also means 1 per 100. Number 3. What is the first thing we need to do when converting percentages to decimals? That's amazing. The first thing we need to do to convert percentages to decimals is to divide by 100 and remove the percentage sign. Number 4. What is the easy way to convert percentages to decimals? That's brilliant! The easy way to convert percentages to decimals is to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. I hope you learned new things in the lesson. I learned new things too. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!